Direction cosines and direction ratios. This is the actually first year chapter, one of the important LAQ topic. From this chapter we have totally 8 LAQs. From these 8 LAQs we get 1 LAQ for the final exam. Very important topic ma. This is the first LAQ. Find the angle between the two lines whose direction cosines are given by the relations L plus M plus N equal to 0 and L square plus N square minus N square equal to 0. They are given two lines. From these two lines we get element values. After that we are finding the direction cosines. Element are in ratio form, we get DRs, direction ratios. From the direction cosine ratios we get direction cosines. After from that only we get the angle between the two lines when direction cosines are given. Cos theta is equal to L1 L2 plus M1 M2 plus N1 N2. We are applying that formula here. First they are given the two equations. First equation is L square plus M square minus N square is equal to 0. This is the first equation. This equation is I am taking as first. Okay, one more equation they are given, that is L plus M plus N equal to 0. L plus M plus N equal to 0. In this problem we need element values. How we get element values? In this problem we are applying the substitution model. Substitution model means from the equation we take L is equal to M plus N. Plus of M plus N is take that side becomes minus of M plus N. Plus of M plus N is take this side, we get minus of M plus N. This equation is taken as 2. This equation is taken as 2. Substitute L is equal to minus of M plus N in the equation 1. Okay? Substitute L is equal to minus of M plus N in equation 1. Substitute L is equal to minus of M plus N. Minus of M plus N in equation 1. In equation 1. That implies equation 1 is L is equal to minus of M plus N whole square. Here we have whole square, so we take whole square plus M square minus N square. Plus M square minus N square is equal to 0. Here minus whole square is a positive, minus whole square is a plus now. That implies plus of A, this is in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square formula is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Apply that formula. A square, that is M square, plus B square, N square, plus 2AB, that is 2mn plus M square minus N square is equal to 0. This is taken as this is a minus whole square is a plus. A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB plus M square minus N square is equal to 0. This is taken as this. Here any transmission plus N square and minus N square is a cancel. Remaining is M square plus M square. M square plus M square is 2M square. M square plus M square is 2M square plus 2mn is equal to 0. M square plus M square is 2M square plus 2mn is equal to 0. From these two common term is 2m. So take 2m common, that is m, 2m common. Here remaining is m only, m plus 2m is common, remaining is n is equal to 0. From this, here AB is equal to 0 means either A is equal to 0 or B equal to 0. A is equal to 0. A is equal to 0 means that is 2m is equal to 0 or m plus n is equal to 0. 2m is equal to 0 or m plus n equal to 0. From this, m is equal to 0 by something, 0 by 2. This 2 is a transfer that side, that is 0 by 2. 0 by 2 is 0. 0 by something is 0 or from this m is equal to, this n is take that side, that is a minus. Here we have the two cases. One is n is equal to 0 and another is n is equal to minus. values. So we take the two cases. Case 1 and case 2. Case 1 and case 2. Case 1 and case 2. In the case 1, first m is equal to 0. In the case 1 we take m is equal to 0 and case 2 we take m is equal to minus n. M is equal to minus n. Okay. In the case 1, here we need element values. We get only m is equal to 0. How we get L value? Substitute m is equal to 0. Substitute m is equal to 0 in equation 2. Substitute m is equal to 0 in equation 2. We get L value. Okay. Substitute m is equal to 0 in equation 2. In equation 2. That implies equation 2 is, this is the equation 2, that is L is equal to minus of m is 0 plus n is as it is. That is L is equal to we get minus n value. Okay. Here also in the case 2 also, here in the case 2 we take m is equal to minus n. M is equal to minus n. How we get n value? Substitute this m is equal to minus n in equation 2. From this we get n value. Here also substitute m is equal to minus n. M is equal to minus n. Minus n in equation 2. In equation 2. That is equation 2 implies L is equal to minus of m is we get minus n. Here we have already n plus n. Here plus n minus n is cancelled. Plus n minus n is cancelled. Remaining L is equal to 0. From this we get L values. Now take the ratio form. Element what are element here? Element are generally DCs. DCs are generally denoted by element. Element are take ratio form. In the ratio form we get DRs. So now take the ratio form. That is L is to m is to n. Now take the ratio form. L is to m is to n. L is equal to we get minus n. M is we get 0. N is as it is, take it as it is. Why? Because L is in terms of n only. So n is take it as it is. Here 0 can be written as next step minus n into this 0 can be written as 0 into n. Here any cancellation, this is the ratios mark. So we take the cancellation. N is cancelled. Remaining is minus 1 is to, here remaining is 0 is to 1. What are these? These are the DRs. Element are in take ratio form. From these we get DRs. So these are the DRs. DRs is equal to minus 1 comma 0 comma 1. These are the DRs. This is the first case now. In the case 2 also we get element values. L is equal to 0, m is minus n, n is take it as is. Here also we take the ratio. That is L is to m is to n. L is we get 0, m is equal to minus n, n is taken as this. From this 0 can be written as, here also this 0 can be written as 0 into n, 0 can be written as 0 into n into minus n, minus is to n. Here n is cancelled. These are the ratios, so we cancel here. N is cancelled. Remaining is 0 is to minus 1 is to 1. What are these? Element are in take ratio form. So these are the DRs. DRs is equal to 0 comma minus 1 comma 1. From this we get the drs now. But in the problem, find the direction cosines. When drs are given, find DCs. Formula, we have the formula. These are the drs. Generally drs are denoted by a comma b comma c. drs are generally denoted by a comma b comma c. When drs are given, find DCs. DCs is equal to formula is a by root over a square plus b square plus c square, comma b by root over a square plus b square plus c square, comma c by root over a square plus b square plus c square. Okay, a comma b comma c are drs. When drs are given, find DCs. Formula is a by root over a square plus b square plus c square, b by root over a square plus b square plus c square, c by root over a square plus b square plus c square. Apply this formula. From that we get DCs. A is equal to what, ma? Minus 1. Minus 1 by root over a square plus b square plus c square. A square is minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square is 1 only. 1 plus b square. B square is 0 square. 0 square is 0 plus c square. C square is 1 square. That is 1. That is, this is the way we get minus 1 by root 2. Similarly, p is equal to what, ma? 0. 0 by denominator, take it as is. Take it as is. 1 plus 0 plus 1. C is equal to what? 1 by root over denominator is, take it as is. As is 1 plus 0 plus 1. Okay. From this, that is minus 1 by 1 plus 1 is root 2. Here also 0 by something is 0. 0 by something is 0. Here also we get 1 by root 2. What are these now? These are the DCs. When drs are given, find DCs. This is the formula. We are applying this formula. From that we get DCs. DCs is equal to minus 1 by root 2. 0 by something is 0. This is the 1 by root 2.